One of the first things you need to do to start using Sudowrite beyond the trial is to pick a plan. So if you go to Sudowrite.com, you can try it for free, get some credits, and play around with the system a little bit. I'm telling you right now, that trial does not get you far. So let's take a look at the plans. I'm going to click this pricing over here. And these are your plan options to choose from. First thing I want you to notice is this toggle right here, monthly, yearly. So the prices do change. If you go monthly, the hobby and student is $19 a month. If you do the yearly, you get a discount and it's $10 a month. However, you do need to pay that yearly price up front. Same thing goes for all of these. So make sure if you're only wanting to pay month to month, that you have that toggle towards the monthly side. If you're okay with paying upfront yearly and getting that discount, have that toggle over here. Now, it doesn't matter if you do monthly or yearly, you can cancel at any time. So if you want to pay for that year price, get the discount. 3 months down the road, you decide, you know what, Sudowrite is not for me, you can cancel it. You can also pause if you're on the monthly or yearly. If you're on the monthly plan, you can pause inside your system, inside your account. If you're on the yearly, you do need to contact customer support, but they can pause it for you. So here's a look at the various plans. If you aren't going to be using AI that much, or you don't even have a lot of time to write, and you do most of the writing yourself, Hobby and Student will probably be great for you. Most people tend to go right here in the middle. The Max is the only plan that has rollover. So these two, the Hobby and the Professional, if you do not use all of your credits available at the end of the month, they do expire. However, on the Max plan, those credits roll over for 12 months. If you pick a plan and you decide it's not enough or it's too much, you can always upgrade or downgrade at any time as well. So don't stress too much over picking your plan. Even if you did the yearly and you did, say, the Professional, and you decide, I want to go up to Max, you'll get a prorated refund and start your new Max subscription, or vice versa if you want to go down. And so let's talk about credits for a moment, because that's always people's first questions if they haven't messed with AI much. Think of credits sort of like tokens. Each of the Sudowrite features that use AI use credits. There are a couple of exceptions where they are free, don't cost credits, but the majority use credits. It is hard to give you a flat out range, like if you use this feature, it's going to cost you this many credits. If you're familiar with working in Open Router or Playground, then you understand the LLMs charge based on input and output, and each LLM charges differently. That's the way it's working with credits here. It depends on what model is working, what model you select for the writing, how much it's reading, all of that input, and how much it's giving you the output. So credits do vary, but there is a range of very cheap models to very expensive models inside Sudowrite. So you can typically find one that meets your needs.